there's 2 tunnels, then there's a lay-by after both of them. Alright, you ready?
Hang on, I'll honk us in. You ready? Hang on,
Yep.
I'm recording. Yep. On the 3rd horn. Is there an easy roundabout to turn back round and do that again?
Yeah, we're going to do it a few times, don't worry.
That was fun. Dude, my steering was wobbling
Mate,
every gear shift.
You were right behind me, man.
Yeah, it was close. Second and third
crazy.
gear, I had steering wobble like a mother.
That is crazy. You were literally right behind me. What I want to do is just put the zoom on. So,
put the zoom where?
Just hanging out my bag somewhere or something.
Okay, there's a car behind you. Make sure you're.
It's all right. Wait, you were right next to me, man. No way.
Dude, from my view, I started looking right as well, like to get you in it, and we were just like this.